First, let's talk about several ways to open the cross-reference tables. From Simatic Manager, right-click on the Blocks folder and click Reference Data. Then click Display. The second, also from Simatic Manager, is to go to the Options menu. Select Reference Data, and again select Display. Let's open a block. A third and popular place is in the Programming Editor. Click the Options menu. Select Reference Data and Display. Any of these three ways take you to the same place. If code changes have been made since the last time the reference tables were opened, you will see a message asking you if you want to update or regenerate the reference data. Update means to append the changes. Regenerate will rebuild the database. Note that in a large project, regeneration could take a while. Click Yes to update the tables. A window opens asking which table you'd like to go to. We will choose the first one, Cross-References. Click OK. Click the plus box next to an address to see everywhere this address is used. Input 8.7 is being used in blocks FC14 and 16. In each block, the bit is being used as a reading bit, meaning it is a contact, and the programming language was ladder logic. In the location columns are the networks and how the bit is being used. The A means and is a normally open contact. The AN means and not and is a normally closed contact. Here's where the contact is being used. Now let's close the block. Click the Filter button. You can filter by selecting or deselecting what you want to see in the reference table. We will deselect everything but bit memories and filter on address 15. Click OK. Now only memory addresses that contain the number 15 show. By placing a check mark in the All box and clicking OK, all addresses used in the S7 program code will be displayed, including blocks that are called. Here you can see that the address FB11 is being called from the block FC15 in Network 5. Double-click the location to jump to the block. Here's the block call to FB11. The other reference tables will be covered in separate videos, and this concludes how to search for an address from the cross-reference tables.